Unto the Lord be the glory, great things He has done. Unto the Lord be the glory, great things He had done. Great things He had done, and greater things He will do. Unto the Lord be the glory, great things He had done. How to play Unto the Lord be the glory, great things He has done on key C for absolute beginners. All you need to know on this level is how to play your chord on your left, on your right hand, and single note on your right hand. So the first chord for this song is the Do chord. Unto the Do be the Fa. This is your Fa chord. Fa, great song back to me. Unto the La. Unto the La be the Re and the Sol and the Do. Remember, the first time you played it, you started with Do. Unto the La. But the second time around, unto the La, Re, Sol, Do. So, other people would decide to repeat that Do the second time, but to give your song progression, to give it excitement and thrill, it's better the next time you go to your La. Unto the Lord, because that Lord is me, it's in the La, me is in the La, and me is also in the Do. So you can decide to give the first Unto the Lord to the Do chord, then the second time you go to. So I'll play it one more time. Unto the Lord be the glory, great things He hath done. Unto the Lord be the So that's how to play Unto the Lord be the glory, great things is done on key C as an absolute beginner. Please subscribe to learn how to play this song as an intermediate level player and also as an advanced. And to get the links to these different levels of playing this particular song, check the description below. You'll see a link to the intermediate level of playing this song and the advanced level. The aim is to gradually use this kind of song to take you to the pinnacle of your piano playing career. Yeah, thanks. Please subscribe to get more of this kind of videos. Thanks.